So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing extremely well. And so today is day 42 of solving the GFG POTDs. And so let's continue. So today's problem is fractional knapsack. Let us look what is the problem. So we have been given a weight. Let us call it a W. Okay. And we have been given items who have corresponding values and their corresponding weights. Okay. We have to maximize the value we can achieve within this given total weight. So suppose I have got values and weights like this. So these are my values of the corresponding values with the corresponding weights. Like the value first object has gives me a value of 60 with a total weight of 10. Second object gives me a value of 100 with a total weight of 20. And third object gives me a value of 120 with a total weight of 30. And it is given to me that the maximum weight I can accommodate is 50. Okay. So what can I do? I have to maximize the value. So a common human mind says apply unitary method to find out which object or item your interest can give me maximum. Okay, so if I see maximum per unit weight, so if I make a column here per unit weight, let me name it as u, so you can see I am getting 60 value in 10 units. So one unit will give me 60 by 10, that is 6 units, right? 100 is getting into 20, so 100 by 20 gives me 5, and 120 by 30 gives me 4. So as you can see, this is already sorted in decreasing order. Now to maximize your value, you will obviously tend to choose the one which has highest unitary value, correct? So you come here, you see 60 10. You see you have amount of you can accommodate 50 units right now, but you only have 10 units of the one with the 6 unitary value of 6. So you will say give me 10. So you accommodate 10. Okay, now your weight becomes 40. You accommodate 10, your weight becomes 40, and your value becomes 60, right? After that, you move here, you see 20, still available for me. So now I see that 20 is still less than 40. So give me 20 more, it becomes 30. Okay, and my value will be added by 100. So 100 here, that becomes 160. And 60 plus 100 gives me 160, correct? Now I come here at the last one. Now I see after second it becomes 20, right? Now I see that only 20 is possible to accommodate more. But the current weight is 30. So I will have to break it down. Now, if one unit causes me 4, how many 20 units will cause me? The 4 into 20 will give me the value of 80. So I say add 80 to it and add 20 to it. The total weight will become 50, which is required weight, and my answer will become 240. Okay. This is my whole algorithm. So how will my algorithm work? As stated earlier, what I'm doing is firstly I'm creating a vector of type pair of double double. Okay, name it as V. V will contain first will contain value by weight with weight. Okay, you have to run a loop and make a vector which signifies this. Okay, after that sort V. All right. Now it is sorting in ascending order, so start from last because we want in decreasing order. It is sorting in ascending order. That is I'm starting from last. So my index will be n minus one, right? Now while my weight is actually greater than zero and my index is also greater than equals to zero, in that case, what you will do? My sorry, it will be double. My double x will be minimum of my current weight that can be maximum filled and uh, v of I dot second. That the object can provide. Okay. Then what I will do, my W will be minus equals to X, and my answer will be incremented by X star V of I dot first. That is the unitary method value. Okay. After that, return answer. This is my whole algo. Okay. I don't consider this as a medium level problem. I consider it as an easy level problem, and I hope you guys will be agreeing with me. And that's all for the today's session, and it is the whole pseudocode. So let's write down the code. Before moving on to the code section, it is a sincere request to please subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. Uh, that's only a request, and please hit the subscribe button as much as you can. Now moving towards the code. So I hope all of you are able to see my code really well. It is perfectly zoomed in. So let's move in the flow we discussed. So first of all, we have to create a vector of type pair of double double. Correct? Name it as v. Okay. Now for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus v dot push back. Now to create a value from integer to double, we will have to use this kind of operation. Double bracket that value, that is arr of I dot value by double of its corresponding weight dot weight. With second value was double of the arri dot weight. Okay, this will give me in my required array. After that, sort that. So sort v dot begin v dot end. Right now, current weight is given in type of int, so I'm making it double. So double of small w equals to double of capital W. Just type the typecasting here. Now my answer is in the form of double. So double answer equals to 0. And my pointer will start from last index. So in line I equals to n minus 1. Now while my my small w is greater than 0 and my index is in the range greater than equals to 0, that is my weight I have to take from that particular index will be minimum of w and v of I dot second. Otherwise, and then my weight will be subtracted by that much and my answer will be incremented by that much. X star v of I dot first, right? I think I'm clear up till now. After that, what you have to do? You have to decrement the operator for further operations because you have taken in that value corresponding correct. Now after that, return your answer. This is your whole code. Okay, let's see for combined run. And as you can see, we are using a time complexity of O of n here. O of n log n here because we are using O. It will be answer plus equals to. And the time complexity will be O of n log n because we are using a sort operation which is taking maximum time right now. So as you can see, combined run is running fine. So let's move on to the submit. It is also running fine. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you liked my video. And if you have any doubts, please engage with me in the comment section. And I'm seeing that not many of you have joined my Discord channel. So please join my Discord channel. The link is in the description. And see you tomorrow with the next video with the same Josh.